Good morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? Nice to meet you again. So, kids, now your exams are over, and from today we are going to start our study again. Okay, kids? So, kids, first listen to your ma'am carefully. Now, kids, you all are very well aware how to speak counting 1 to 10 and how to write counting 1 to 10. Okay, kids? So, from today, we are going to learn how to speak counting 1 to 15. Okay, so are you ready to learn how to speak counting 1 to 15? Yes, very good, kids. So speak with your man. Okay, so let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so this is we already learn counting 1 to 10. Okay, so now you have to learn after 10. Okay, so listen to your ma'am carefully which number I am taking after number 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is number 10. After 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14 and 1, 5, 15. Okay, kids? Now speak counting with your fingers. Okay, like your ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14 and 1, 5, 15. Okay, kids? So, kids, after counting, we are going to learn how to write number 11. 1, 1, 11. Okay? So, today we are going to learn how to write number 11 by very interesting activity. Okay, kids? So, are you ready to learn number 11 by very interesting activity with your ma'am? Yes? Okay, so come and join your ma'am. So very first, kids, look here. Which number is this? 1, 1, 11. Which number is this? 1, 1, 11. Now look this side. I have some square shaped smileys. Okay, so you have to count how many smileys I have. Okay, so start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So I have 11 smileys. How many smileys? 11 smileys. Okay. Now activity time. So come and join your ma'am again. So kids, are you ready for today's activity? Yes, very good, kids. So kids, what is this? This is number 11. Okay, and in number 11, 2 standing lines are there. 1 standing line and 2 standing line. Okay, kids. So this is our today's activity. For this activity, kids, I am using here some glitter cuttings of square shape and I am taking here Fevicol. Okay, so I have some flower pots here. So first you have to count how many flower pots we have. So start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so how many flower pots we have? 11 flower pots here. Okay, so what I am doing? Now I am taking Fevicol. Okay, and I am taking one drop on the top of this flower pots like this. Okay, take small amount of Fevicol like this. Okay, now kids, what you have to do? Now I am taking one piece of glitter paper and I am pasting this like this. Okay, looking good? Yes. So, and you have to count also. Okay, 1, then 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 9, 10, and last one 11. Okay, so kids, are you enjoyed this activity? Yes, very good kids. So kids, you can also do this activity at your home with help of your mama. Okay, so now kids, I am taking work in our candy number book. Okay, so look kids, what is this? Circle the number 11 in the clock. Okay, but very first kids, look here, which page is this? Page number 36. Okay, first you have to write down here today's date. Okay, like this. Okay, now see, circle the number 11 in the clock. Okay, so find out where is number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So what you have to do? You have to circle this. Okay, this is number 11. 11. Okay, now see downside, trace and write the number 11. Okay, so kids, 11, how to make number 11? In 11, two standing lines are there, 1 and 2. Okay, and you all are know how to make standing line. So start from this dot and make one standing line. Okay, and two standing line. 1, 11. Okay, now make second one. Come down, make standing line. Then from this dot you have to make one more standing line. Come down, stop here. Okay, again make standing line, then make one more standing line. Okay, so kids, like this you have to complete this tracing line. Now kids, see, in second row we don't have any dot. Okay, so very first downside this blue line you have to put one dot. Then from this dot make standing line. How to make standing line? Come down and touch this blue line. Stop on this blue line. Then make again one more dot. Come down. Stop on this blue line. Like this you have to make 1, 11. Okay, once again make two dots. Then start from this dot, make standing line. Okay, then make one more standing line. Okay, so this is 1, 11. Again make standing line, then make one more standing line. Okay, so this is 1, 11. Okay, so like this you have to complete this 3 lines. Okay kids. Now kids, see another page. This is page number 37. Okay, so on this page we have one activity. Color the flowers with the number 11. Okay, so kids, can you see we have some flowers? Okay, and in these flowers we have different types of number. So what you have to do, you have to color that flower which have number 11. Okay, so very first you have to take crayon. Okay, you have to pick any color from your choice, then find out where is number 11. Here. Okay, this is number 11. So what you have to do, you have to color the flower which have number 11. Okay, so I am taking here orange color. Okay, I am coloring this flower. Okay, like this. Okay, now find out where is number 11. Here. Okay, so now this time I am taking green color and I am coloring this flower. Kids, you can take any color from your choice. If you like red color, then you can do color with red. Okay, like this you have to color this flower. Okay, now see, any more flower with number 11? Yes, we have one more flower with number 11. Okay, so I am taking this time yellow color and I am coloring okay. So now my activity is completed. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete this activity. Okay, and now see downside, trace and write the number 11. Okay, so these 3 lines you have to write same as CW. So page number 36 is your CW and page number 37 is your HW. Okay, so complete these both pages and send me the pics. Okay kids, bye bye, take care.